7 Everyday Foods to Cleanse Arteries and Boost Brain Health After 60 As we age. Our arteries undergo subtle changes that can impact our overall health, particularly after 60. Symptoms like high blood pressure, tingling in the hands and feet, or persistently cold fingers are often brushed off as just aging. However, these can signal reduced blood flow to the brain, a condition linked to a tripled risk of stroke and accelerated cognitive decline, according to research from the American Heart Association. The good news: you can take charge of your vascular and brain health with simple, everyday foods backed by science. Below, we explore 7 powerful foods that support arterial flexibility, improve circulation, and protect cognitive functional, along with practical tips for incorporating them into your routine. 1. Salmon, the omega-3 champion for heart and brain. Wild-caught Alaskan salmon is a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA. These essential fats are critical for cardiovascular and cognitive health. According to the American Heart Association, omega-3 South can reduce triglycerides by up to 40%, decrease blood vessel inflammation, and prevent harmful blood clots that can lead to stroke. How to enjoy salmon. Frequency: aim for 2 to 3 servings per week, with each serving about the size of your palm, roughly 4 to 6 ounces. Timing: consume between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., when your body's digestive enzymes are most active for optimal nutrient absorption. Preparation: grill, bake, or steam salmon to preserve its nutrients. Avoid frying or smothering it in heavy sauces, which can add unnecessary fats and calories. By making salmon a regular part of your diet, you provide your arteries and brain with the fats they need to stay healthy and resilient. 2. Pomegranate, the blood flow booster. Pomegranates are packed with potent antioxidants, including punocollagens and anthocyanins, which enhance nitric oxide production by up to 80%. Nitric oxide is a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving circulation to the brain and other vital organs. A study published in the Atherosclerosis Journal found that daily consumption of pure pomegranate juice reduced carotid artery thickness by 30% within 1 year, a key marker of arterial health. How to enjoy pomegranate juice. Drink 4 to 8 ounces of 100% pure pomegranate juice on an empty stomach, ideally 30 minutes before a meal, to maximize absorption. Seeds: add fresh pomegranate seeds to salads, smoothies, or yogurt for a nutrient-packed crunch. Preparation tip: 2. Easily remove seeds. Cut the fruit in half and submerge it in a bowl of water while gently separating the seeds. Add a pinch of sea salt to preserve the antioxidants if storing. Incorporating pomegranate into your diet can help keep your arteries flexible and your brain well-nourished. 3. Arugula, the nitrate-packed leafy green. Arugula, a peppery leafy green, is a rich source of dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide to enhance blood flow within hours. It's also high in vitamin K2, which helps prevent calcium buildup in arteries, and folate, which reduces homocysteine levels, a risk factor for vascular damage. These nutrients make arugula a standout for both heart and brain health. How to enjoy arugula. Preparation: eat it raw in salads, or lightly sauté with olive oil and garlic to preserve its nutrients. Timing: consume within 4 hours of purchase. As nitrate content diminishes over time. Pairings: combine with beets or citrus fruits to amplify its artery-supporting effects. Adding arugula to your meals is an easy way to boost circulation and protect your cardiovascular system. 4. Avocado, the heart-healthy fat source. Avocados are a goldmine of monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, which help lower LDL bad cholesterol while increasing HDL good cholesterol. A study from Penn State University showed that eating 1 avocado daily reduced harmful small LDL particles by up to 40%. Avocados also provide more potassium than bananas, helping to regulate sodium levels and lower blood pressure. How to enjoy avocado. Portion: aim for half an avocado per day. Timing: consume between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., when your body is best equipped to metabolize healthy fats. Preparation: use within 15 minutes of cutting to retain maximum nutrients. Add to toast, salads, or smoothies. Avocados are a delicious and versatile way to support cholesterol balance and arterial health. 5. Chia seeds, tiny nutrients, big impact. Chia seeds may be small, but they're packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3, along with fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Their soluble fiber acts like a sponge, binding excess cholesterol and removing it from the body. Research indicates that chia-rich diets can lower triglycerides and LDL cholesterol by up to 35%. How to enjoy chia seeds. Preparation: soak chia seeds in water 1:3 ratio of seeds to water for at least 15 minutes to improve digestibility and nutrient absorption. Uses: add to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or use as an egg substitute in baking for a nutrient boost. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine is a simple way to support clean arteries and stable cholesterol levels. 6. Extra virgin olive oil. The Mediterranean secret. Extra virgin olive oil (EVU) is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Known for its heart protective polyphenols, these compounds repair arterial damage, reduce inflammation, and prevent plaque buildup. The landmark PREDIMED trial demonstrated that daily EVU consumption significantly lowered cardiovascular events compared to a low-fat diet. How to use EVU. Quality: choose certified, authentic extra virgin olive oil to avoid diluted or adulterated PRODUCTS. Raw as a salad dressing, or drizzle over cooked vegetables to preserve its antioxidants. Cooking tip: avoid high heat frying, as it can degrade the oil's beneficial compounds. Swapping processed oils for EVU is a simple change with profound benefits for your arteries. 7. A morning routine for optimal vascular and brain health. To maximize the benefits of these foods, timing and preparation are key. Eating them at the right time and avoiding processed, sugary foods can amplify their effects. Here's a simple morning protocol to kickstart your day. 1. Start with pomegranate. Drink 4 to 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice on an empty stomach to enhance nitric oxide production. 2. Mid-morning meal. Enjoy a salmon or avocado-based lunch between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. to align with peak digestion. 3. Add greens. Include arugula or other nitrate-rich greens in your meals for a circulation boost. 4. Incorporate chia. Add soaked chia seeds to breakfast or snacks for sustained cholesterol support. 5. Use EVU*. Make extra virgin olive oil your go-to for cooking and dressings. This routine leverages the synergistic effects of these foods to optimize blood flow and brain health. The path to long-term health. Aging doesn't have to mean declining vascular or cognitive health. By consistently incorporating these 7 foods into your diet, you can improve arterial flexibility, enhance circulation, and protect your brain for years to come. The key is to make these changes a regular part of your lifestyle rather than seeking a quick fix. Research and countless patient stories show that strategic nutrition can transform vascular health in as little as a few weeks, setting the foundation for a vibrant, healthy future.